What up guys, Kevin here again today with Seeking Greatness, and for today's video guys, I'm going to go over on how to command respect. Now specifically for today's video guys, make sure you stay till the end because this video is about people that want to command respect from others because they already have a business or maybe they have somewhere where they want to take their specific maybe lifestyle or their business approach or wherever they are, they want to take it to the next level and they want to bring on some people to themselves. So starting off first guys is with respecting yourself before we even get to how to command respect from others. Because guys, if you don't respect yourself first, meaning you're not able to actually sit down and do things when other people are doing other things, meaning you have that self-respect for yourself, meaning you have the confidence to get out there, face fears, and have the courage and the strength to get out there and continue, right? You want to be able to first have these traits for apply them to it within yourself before you even go out and command it from others. Because if you go out there and you have no self-respect and you're scared and you're just putting on this fake front, people are going to be able to see right through you and you're not going to get that true feedback and true connection from them because they're going to be able to tell that this person doesn't respect themselves. They're just putting on a fake act. So the first thing guys is going to be first respect yourself, and then we can move on to the first thing, which is going to be lead by example. Now, leading by example to me is one of the most respectful things that comes from any leader, any business owner, anybody who's basically has a business that they want to, that maybe they're already controlling and they want to take it to the next level, or maybe you're starting off and you have no business and you want to think, well, how do I build a business? Well, lead by example is a very powerful tool because as a leader, if you want strong employees, strong workers that are going to work for you, that are going to be there to support you, you want to build a beautiful team, correct? You want to build people that you respect and they respect you. Well, you need to be able to be there as their leader to lead by example. If you got to get down and dirty and you show them the path, you show them, because what that does, think of a little kid to his father. If you're eating junk food all the time, let's say, and then your kids, you're telling them to eat a healthy diet, what type of an example are you giving them? They're a little bit confused. They're like, why would I do that if the leader is not doing it? Well, it's the same thing with building a business or being a leader of a specific tribe, okay? You want to lead by example, meaning you're able to put if you got to put your foot in the dirt, you're going to put your foot in the dirt no matter what. And that's what a leader does, is he's able to get down and dirty, he's been through it, and he shows all his employees, all his workers, all the people that are on his team that he can do the same thing. So that's going to be the number one thing, guys. The second thing we move on to is going to be have ambitious goals. Now, this relates with two things. So having ambitious goals that supports and benefits you, so me, as well as the people you're bringing on. Now, this is huge when it comes to commanding respect. You have that respect for yourself, okay? You take the leadership role, and you have very ambitious goals that majority of people would be too afraid to be able to take charge and start. But your ambitious goals are helping yourself and all your employees, all your workers, all of your tribal members, correct? Now what this does is that when you set ambitious goals and you actually, no matter what, push through and have that vision to actually get out there, you command tons of respect from other people. If you've watched any movies from the 900s, like Viking shows, and the Thrones with the Kings, is that a lot of the kings that stayed up had ambitious goals and the other people would support them because they saw that the leader was fearless. He had these big ambitious goals that have never been talked about. It was able to bring himself a sense of happiness, fulfillment, and help all the people around. Maybe it was to bring food to them. Maybe it was to bring riches to the family or a better way of living. And this could do with your business as well. Maybe you have a business plan and you want to make it so ambitious, but you got to think and let everyone in the tribe or every one of your employers know that this is going to benefit them as well. Don't just speak in the I, but speak in the you and the we. These are very important things when it comes to commanding respect and getting the best members around you to actually be there to support you to fulfill that ambitious goal. Now moving on to my third one, guys, here is going to be calm in front of conflict. Now, this is more of conflict can come in many different ways, okay? Social conflict could be, let's say you're taking this next step or in an opportunity for you're the boss and you want to move above maybe the next boss or something. Or maybe you're starting a business, you're going out there to speak to people, right? Whenever you're met in a conflict, this could be physical or social, is you want to always stay calm. Stay grounded, stay calm, and be very patient, because at times what this does is it shows a lot of courage, it It shows that you respect yourself, and people will be able to pay attention to this. Okay, they'll be able to see you in your eye that this person doesn't lose his mind. He's not emotional. He's very visional, goal-oriented. Okay, the ambitious goals, the leadership. When conflict comes, he stays very relaxed, and he already knows, and he's thinking step by step exactly what he's gonna do. This really helps when it comes to business, because when building a business or building yourself and building a tribe, conflicts are gonna happen. This is just the way the universe works. We're always being thrown tests, is what I believe at all times. So if you can stay calm and grounded throughout any social or physical conflict, you just know you're one step ahead of your opponent. And instead of reacting, you're actually doing something else. You're steadily paying attention, listening, being aware, and then you're choosing your action after the person. It's like a big game of chess. But staying calm and grounded and not losing control in any sense of conflict has you steps ahead of your opponents, let's say. And with everyone around you, they're going to as well, once again, leadership, do the same thing. You'll notice that if your whole group of people is chaotic and you change your demeanor, right, you will bring on non-chaotic people. You will bring on a lot of people that are controlled, that are fearless, that are courageous, and that are willing to support you by your side no matter what. This is what the people that you want to attract by staying calm. Now my last one, guys, here is going to be see through people. Now this is kind of like a little bonus when it comes to developing a business-oriented group of people. See through people, because what you want to do is this can go through ways. One, you may hear stories that this person is this, or he's horrible for you, he's been through this. Ignore all that bullshit, have a one-on-one conversation with this person and see through their eyes in the sense, is this person putting on an act? Or maybe I see through all this bullshit, he's actually an amazing person, and he has a lot of potential for growth. Or the opposite, is this person putting on an act? He sounds like this high, all and mighty person that he brings to the table superficially, but deep inside he actually is lying to himself and he's an actor. So this is a very big thing when it comes to seeing through people, because it goes back to who are you bringing onto your team, okay? You're the leader of the business, you want to start this business, but the people you bring on is very important, so you need to be able to see through the people. See through the bullshit and be able to see who's real and who's not. And once again, this dives back to the beginning, self-respecting yourself, having the courage, having awareness. It comes down to yourself first, guys. Remember, this video is focused on people that they've already before they command respect, they already have the self-respect in themselves. They have the groundedness, they do everything for themselves, so they've been through that experience, so now they're able to give back to others. Now this is the biggest part here, guys. We are giving back. When you're building a business, it's not about you, it's about you and the team. It's about how can I, the best version of me, build up my team, build up my society, build up my country, right? If you think of the top presidents of the world, the kings. That's how it works. You lead by example, and you pick out people that have the same ambitious goals as you, or they're ready to help you on those ambitious goals. Okay, guys, so that's all I have for today's video, guys. If this video helped you out, and maybe you have any more questions when it comes to leadership roles, or developing a business, or where you should go all about, make sure you comment below, guys, or even hit me up on an email. Other than that, guys, stay tuned till next time. Enjoy the rest of your day, and peace.